Class C chopper. Okay, let's understand class C chopper. Class C chopper is a two quadrant chopper. So it operates in both the quadrant, first quadrant and second quadrant. So it's operate in the first quadrant and second quadrant. So this is a two quadrant chopper. So in class C chopper, output voltage is always positive and the output current can be positive or negative. This output voltage always positive. Output current can be positive or negative. Positive or negative. So this type of chopper obtained connecting a class A chopper and class B chopper in parallel. So let's see the circuit diagram for this class C chopper. So there is a one voltage source. This is the two switch, directly drawing the two switch. So this is switch 1 and switch 2, the supply voltage. Then there is diode D1 and there is another diode D2. Diode D1 and D2. One load is connected, inductor is connected, and there is a source. There is E, and this is the desired, this is the direction according to the supply voltage. This is the direction of the output current, and this is inductor, and this is switch 1, this is switch 2. So this is the circuit diagram for class C chopper. So in the first quadrant operation can be achieved with switch 1 or diode 2 on. So by this first quadrant operation can be achieved by switching on switch 1 or D2. Okay, let's understand this statement. So if if we make a circuit by switch 1 and diode D2, so in that case this will be the circuit. So this source, so there will be the source, then switch 1 is on, this is switch 1 on, then there is the inductor, then the source. So this will be the circuit. Now this will be the circuit when we are considering only switch 1. So in that case this is the direction of the current flow, I0 is the direction of the current flow, I0. So what will be the current flow now? Now current will flow in this direction. So this will be the direction of the current flow, and which is the same direction of the current. So in that case, so in this condition, voltage is positive, current also positive. Now in this condition, this inductor will charge. So inductor will charge. Now in the second condition, now when the switch is off and only diode D2 is on, so in that case circuit will be, so now if we draw the circuit, then circuit will be like this diode D2, inductor, and the voltage source. So this will be the circuit. So in the previous condition, so this is the sign. Now when the inductor will discharge, this will change its polarity. So this will be the direction of the current flow. So in this condition also, current is positive, voltage is also positive. So we can say in the by switching on switch 1 and D2, we can achieve the first quadrant operation. Where both are positive, where voltage and current both are positive. We have achieved first quadrant operation. Okay, now second quadrant operation can be achieved by switching on switch 2 and D1. Now second quadrant operation can be achieved by switching on switch 2 and or D1. Okay, let's understand this statement by drawing the circuit. So first we will draw the circuit by considering switch 2. So if we draw the circuit by considering switch 2, in that case So the circuit will be look like, so this is the switch 2, switch 2, switch 2, and there is one inductor. This is the source, this is the current flow, the initial direction of that current flow. Now in this condition, that current will flow in the opposite direction. Now the current will flow in this direction. So we can say that current is negative, voltage is positive. Now when the current will flow through the inductor, it will positive, negative. So after, when that switch will be off, so at that time this inductor will discharge and it will change its polarity. So this will be positive, this side is negative. So in this condition also, this will be the direction of the current flow. In this condition also, current is negative, voltage is positive. So we can say, like in this condition, so when switch is off, now we'll consider diode D1, and then let's draw the circuit by considering D1. If we draw the circuit, then circuit will be, so this is the diode D1, this is the inductor, then E. This will be the circuit, and this is the normal direction of that current. Now it will discharge, that inductor will discharge, so it will polarity will change. So in this condition also, that current direction will be this. So this is in the opposite direction of this current I0. So in this condition, that current is negative, voltage is positive. So we can say this is in the second quadrant. So from this by using this CH switch 2 and diode D1, we can achieve the second quadrant operation. So this is the circuit diagram for class C chopper, which operates in both first quadrant and second quadrant. So this is all about class C chopper. So detailed understanding of class C chopper. So in the next lecture, I will explain class D chopper. Thank you.